right, still a weekend for watering the plants and the grass and the gardens, because nothing natural is really coming. Basking in the sun as well, a lot of that.
I feel like in the last week, I've noticed the lawns are starting to...
The change is happening right now. We're drying out.
And that happens even in like a wet summer. If you get 2 or 3 weeks where there's no rain, doesn't take much for the grass, right?
They're thirsty.
Yeah. Interesting temperature map this morning. These are the lows, which are not reflective of this time of the year much at all. 45 the low this morning in Freiburg, 51 in Bangor, and 10 below the average in Portland. The low this morning, 52. Made it up to 81, which is right about average. 82 in Bangor, 85 in Freiburg today. Very dry air in place, so it cools efficiently at night, but with sunshine on a day like today, it can also warm efficiently in the afternoon. Just a few little cumulus clouds popping up today. We have a big ridge of high pressure, though. This will be dominating our weather straight through about Monday, and then after that, things will start to turn more unsettled middle of next week. If you have plans this evening, it's beautiful out there, still about 70 at 7 o'clock this evening. It will cool off as the evening goes along, and by morning, there may be some patches of fog on parts of the coastline, so that's something to be aware of. But again, the next 12 hours, not much of an issue. It's just going to be clear and comfortable tonight. Here are the low temperatures: 54 in Bangor, 50 in Freiburg, 55 in Wiscasset, and 56 in Portland. There may be a little fog first thing tomorrow morning, especially east of Penobscot Bay and off the down east coast. Otherwise, lots of sunshine, and if there is any fog at the coast, it lifts and thins pretty quickly. Lots of sunshine through the day, a gentle breeze through midday, and that again allows a little sea breeze to develop in the afternoon. There probably will be a fog bank sitting here off the down east coast that may come into the coast some tomorrow evening or tomorrow night, particularly mid-coast and down east. If you're on some of the islands and peninsulas, a better chance for that. But other than that, we're just watching for some fog this weekend. It looks like a great weekend overall. Similar setup Sunday morning, some patches of fog near the coastline, and then a mix of sunshine and clouds through Sunday afternoon with temps back into the upper 70s to around 80. Dew points, not a factor this weekend, but it does turn muggier middle of next week, and that's as this trough digs in from the north. It will not be hot. If anything, temperatures below average, but this signals a more unsettled stretch developing Wednesday and Thursday with chances for some needed rain. Great day on the water tomorrow. Seas about 2 feet. Southeast wind 5 to 10 knots. Again, there could be some fog off the mid-coast and down east, but that would be about it. Still dry on Monday, still comfortable too. It's really not until Monday night and Tuesday that we turn muggier. Right now, I think we may get most of Tuesday in dry. The showers developing more likely later in the day. And then Wednesday looks wetter with showers and storms around. And it may still be a little unsettled on Thursday, but we're thinking we probably move that out for next weekend. So that would be good.
Okay, keep that pattern in the middle of the week.
I like that.
Sounds good. Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.